name is Bella, and this is Delaney. Sarah is doing it with us too. We are going to use a skateboard and different types of sodas on top and see which ones go the furthest. We have Mentos, which causes a chemical reaction to it, which turns something different, which you can't go back to it. What force are we learning about today, Delaney?
We're going to be learning about pushes because the Mentos push the soda fizz out, so hopefully it will make the rocket shoot forward.
All right. Let's see.
3, 2, 1.
Last time, Sarah tried it out with her dad. It didn't work so well, but let's see this time.
Today, we're going to do a rocket on a pole with a little tube attached to it, and we drop the bottle down the pole, and there's going to be Mentos inside.
And we're going to see if the chemical reaction is enough for it to push up to the top of the pole. But we don't know if that's going to work. Okay?
Let's find out.
Ready, set, begin!
First, he shakes it to make it all good.
7, 2008, 2009, 2010.
Failed attempt!
If you look at this experiment, the reason for the failure was because the bottle tilted and the push of the energy went sideways. Therefore, I was covered with coke and dirt and mud from the bottom of the launching pad.
And we're here to show you that attempt 2 of our car. We're going to be using Diet 7-Up, and let's see how it goes.
Countdown, please.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
So what do you think?
It didn't go as far!
It didn't go as far, but it kept on rolling after.
Because it stopped exactly right here. Hi, my name's Bella.
And I'm Sarah.
And I'm Delaney! And this is attempt 3. We actually figured out after the first and second attempts that we're using gravity also of pushing too. Because, see, look at this. The Mentos will fall down from the tube into the drink, and that will create a chemical reaction. But we have to make sure that that little cylinder has to go over the hole so it doesn't spray out.
And what's
And we're going to make our attempt 3 of the car. We're going to be using Mountain Dew this time.
And what do you think it will do? Do you think it'll go farther, the middle, or slower? I think it'll go middle.
I think it'll go a little bit farther than the 7-Up did.
What do you think, Delaney?
I think it'll go a little bit farther too.
Okay, let's see. 3,
all right?
3, 2, 1.
bird form.
Too much?
Never mind. Actually, it went slower than the other one. So all of our So we figured out that our hypothesis, all of ours, were wrong. That was the last and final attempt of the rocket. Hi, my name's Bella.
I'm Delaney.
And I'm Sarah.
And I'm Allie! That's Sarah's little sister. Well, this is just an attempt of a fountain, which we're going to see.
That the gravitational pull will pull the Mentos down, and we'll see if it is able to create enough force to escape the gravity for a few seconds to be able to go up in the air.
Let's see how it works.
But this is just an example of the force. We're not going to do the car. This is a fountain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7! My name's Bella.
My name's Delaney.
And I'm Sarah.
And we're going to be looking at the Mentos rocket,
Second attempt.
which is number 2. The last time we failed. Other known as kaput, all the other words. But this time, we're going to try attempt 2. So let's see what happens.
Begin!
Oh, come on. Still possible.
These are our conclusions. I learned that the chemical reaction in some of the cars was enough to push them almost all the way down our driveway, while some of them wasn't. And the gravity, even though some of them had stopped running, like with the chemical reaction, the gravity still pulled them down our slanted hill. This is Bella's conclusion.
This is what I learned. I learned that gravity and force is a lot of things in our world. It can pull stuff and it can push stuff. It can pull stuff really far or it can pull stuff shortly. Like on our Mentos, the gravity pushed them down, and then whenever it exploded on the fountain you saw, it got to escape for at least a few seconds. And our cars were a big success. Some of them went further because of the chemical reaction, and some of them went shorter. This is Delaney's conclusion.
What I learned today in our experiment was that the force wasn't strong enough to make the rocket shoot up, but it was strong enough to push the car across the driveway, and it was also enough force to push the fizz out of the bottle when we did the fountain.